back to the channel, and today it's Monday, the trading day that starts the week. What a fantastic day to be live. So let's crack on with that. I'll just click on Facebook quite quick as well, just to make sure I'm also tuned in there. Let me just quickly find it. Hey, there you go. That's live there too. So I want to thank everyone for joining me on Facebook and YouTube today. Without further ado, I want to show you what the market has done so far for the day, and then we can jump on and have a little breakdown and then move on from there. So looking at crude oil and natural gas today, what has happened so far? Well, if you look at the hourly time frame to start with, then you'll see we had a huge sell-off earlier. We're looking at hourly, not the 5 minutes. So yeah, we had a good push today, a little sell-off, and then another big bearish push. Sorry, bullish to put it that way. And that is that. And then looking at the 1 minute chart as well, we had that nice bullish push. As I said earlier, we had a little sell-off where I've taken advantage of. We broke below the moving average, but I'll break that trade in a minute for you. Now looking at natural gas, as it's been very bullish throughout the last weeks, to be precise. And is it weeks? Yeah, it is weeks. Yes, it is, definitely. And then obviously today we broke above the $3 per contract, and then we continue pushing forward from there. So we reached some sort of a resistance level at 3.1 for contract. So obviously we'll be mindful of that if we are to trade, and then let's see how that's gonna unfold. Now, how I taken advantage today of crude oil, it's purely we had that massive bull run earlier, then we broke below the moving average, consolidated, I've entered the trade, and then I thought, yeah, profit target would be a $76 per barrel, and that has worked magic for me. Like I always preach you guys, round numbers are key in whatever you do. Right, now looking closely to get into the flow of the market, so let's see what will happen. We may as well break above the $76 per barrel on crude oil, or we may continue selling off, or yet to find out, but we're kind of in a consolidation area right here. So let me circle that, so you know exactly where that is. That's the little consolidation area we have found around the $76 per barrel mark, and not surprisingly, it is a round number once again. Now we're just breaking above the moving average on natural gas, but let's see if we'll continue that bullish run we have seen so far throughout this month, and let's see if we can consolidate that. Okay, that's better. Okay, right, just setting up the screens here, but yeah, all good. Let's see crude oil. Come on, crude oil. Let's see if we can break above the moving average with crude oil. That'd be interesting to see. Natural gas, it's testing the moving average at the moment as a support. Let's see if that's gonna hold. Oh, gapped up. May as well continue sliding towards that $3 for contract, as now that will be a good support. Perhaps, we'll see. We don't know what will happen, and that's how we want to keep it. It's a waiting game. It always is. Always is a waiting game. I like the setup of crude oil, I'm not gonna lie. We have that sell-off, so we may as well continue pushing forward. But we're yet to find out, because we are currently on a 5 minute support moving average. Obviously, we'll see if that's going to hold or not. And then we'll see from there. But yeah, just getting in the flow of the market is key at the moment. Bum. I'm tempted to short sell crude oil. We're kind of trying to break that moving average as well. But let's see if that's going to work and how that's going to play out to be on crude oil. Just looking at the 5-minute time frame and the hourly time frame. If we had to break, we may as well reach 75.5 on the hourly. And that will be testing that support of the moving average right around here. The 50 moving average. Trying to break it on the 5 minutes. And then we're trading below on the minute. So it's a good setup to short sell perhaps. But like I said, we're currently in a consolidation area, so I just want a better indication. Although the indication is here, lower highs. We just made a lower low here as well, so we may be in for a short sale. But let's see how that's gonna play. Then natural gas, it's kind of making lower highs at the moment, so it's a good indication. But we've got a round number of 3.05 as a holding support at the moment right here. So round numbers, I always like to use them as a good support in resistance levels, and also I like to trade them as good profit targets. So above and below round number, it's good. But when we're on a round number, I don't like to open that positions. Although that brings some volume in the market, 9 out of 10. But we need a lot of traders thinking the way I think and perceiving the opportunities I perceive to make that move possible. So we don't know who's in the market, but just looking at crude oil and the setup here of lower highs and consistent lower lows. We just broke the 5-minute moving average. So let's see if that's going to be too costly to potentially short sell. Okay, £50,000. Let's see the loss, 93. No, it's too much gap between the round number. Let's see if we can consolidate with another lower height here. And then my risk to participate will also reduce itself. Honestly, I don't know. I have the MACD and the RSI. I never really look at them. Just an indicators, to be fair. But I've always had them, so I kind of keep them there. But I don't really look at those two indicators. Mostly guided by the market's behavior and also by the moving average, as that is determining my edge. So yeah, let me put that into perspective. My edge, it's very simple. I'm using the 50 moving average to get in and out of trades and to break above and below. I'm always looking for consolidation as well. So when we break below the moving average, I then look to consolidate and then I'll be entering a trade. That is very important when it comes down to my edges, and it's very good to stick to my own strategy. Be rigid in my rules and flexible in my expectations. That's a Mark Douglas advice. There, that's good. It's a fantastic advice, not gonna lie. Cool, just gonna wait and see what will happen with crude oil. Sometimes if you don't know what will happen, just wait for the market to unfold. You know, unless there is a volatile moves, 9 out of 10, you'll be able to take advantage properly of the edge if you wait a little bit. 9 out of 10. That one time hurts when you don't. But yeah, it happens all the time. So let's just focus and see what will happen. Because you can see right here, by the way, let me circle that up. Right here is the low of the pattern, right? We then made a higher high. Let's see if that's going to be a lower high. No, sorry, higher low. Yeah. So let's see if that's going to be higher low. And then I'm honestly between the short and long, I'm probably more into long position on crude oil at the moment, just because of that consolidation area right here. But we may as well just break below and continue selling off. Because on the contrary, if you see, we are currently trying to break the moving average on the 4-hour time frame. So obviously if that holds, that will be a huge sell-off for crude oil. But if that breaks, we may as well be in for a good long position as well. Obviously we don't know what will happen, and that's how I want to keep it. I don't want to be second guessing myself what will happen next, have a faulty expectation of the future, and then also distort my trading perception. Yeah, that's good. Oh, quite like that. So let's see. Some dodgy candles right here, I'm not gonna lie, on crude oil, that indicating a reversal potentially. Buyers and sellers can't really decide what is high and what is low, and hence why we're closing exactly where we opened that candle. So yeah, maybe market is shifting, or maybe not, who knows. This pattern we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bullish candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bearish candles. So yeah, not surprised we kind of froze to that support area at the minute. So let's wait for the market. Let's see. Okay, is natural gas, just looking on the chart below, is it good short? Kind of broke once again the moving average. We're currently consolidating, but that support level of 3.05 for contract, it's holding at the moment. It is holding. It doesn't look like it will not hold, but again, who am I to tell? Only the market will tell us, and the market, it's only traders, so acting on their beliefs. Let's see which group has a stronger belief of what will happen, bulls or bears. Good question to ponder. Let's see if I am to short sell 10,000 contracts. Stop loss at about 70. No, it's still too large of a stop loss, 140 quid. Come on, natural gas, break it for me. Break the support. Okay, is crude oil sell off or long? Holding that support right here around $76 as a consolidation area. So yeah, that's what I said to you guys earlier as well. It's always good to wait, be patient for the opportunities to present themselves. That is a key. Okay. We're testing the moving average of crude oil at the moment. Are we gonna break above the $76 per barrel is the big question. Let's just keep focus, stay in the flow of the market. And the market will tell us. Market never lies. Okay, we're breaking above the moving average at the moment. What I ideally want, it's now a good break above to about 76.1. We then consolidate the 76 as a support. Boom, we're in a trade. Let's see. We're testing the $76 at the moment. Okay, 76.02. That is a sell. Let's go to buy. Okay, 76.5 at the top right here. Are we gonna be able to hold above the moving average? Let's see. Bulls or bears? Come on, guys. Okay, another nice green candle, potentially. Okay, I'm just looking at the bottom screen as well. Natural gas, it's testing the moving average. Let's see if that's gonna hold as well. Okay. Natural gas, it's breaking. Breaking bad at the minute. Oh, I missed it, did we? Yeah, that is the consolidation I was looking at. Whilst sorting out my charts. Anyhow, let's see if... Yeah. Missed it. A little beauty. I messed up with my charts all my days. It's okay, well, on to the next opportunity. It'll be a nice winning trade. That, yeah. Could have entered somewhere there. Ideally wanted to enter here at 76.05. So then, by now it would have been what? Good, 160 quid up. Yeah, shame. I know. I've seen the pattern. I've seen my edge. And this, I messed up with the screens. It's happened. It happens. On to the next one. Just wait and see. I know. Oh, my days. I'm good. If I see them, I'm good. I can't. Oh my days. Oh my days. Why is this chart so... Oh, it really bugged me up. That would be a good... Let's see. Yeah, it's would have been a good 300 quid. Oh my days. Just straight up as well. Oh, it is what it is, right? I'm glad I've seen those edges. I'm glad to actually understand the market the way I do. And next time opportunity comes, I'll just take it better. But yeah, why I messed up with the charts. Anyhow. That would have been my goal for the day as well. Oh, that's what it is, right? Can only focus on the next opportunity. Whenever the fuck it is. Oh. Yeah, I could have entered at 8. Could have entered at 9. It's too late by the time. I thought. It's too risky. See? Sometimes the war, it's in here. I mean, most of the time, every time it's in there. So yeah, that's where we are at. Click of a button to get to my goal. Oh my days, why did I do that? I didn't take the trade. The fuck? Didn't take the trade. Cool. Anyway, it is what it is, right? Next opportunity, move on from there. Staying in the past, it doesn't really help, so fuck that. Yeah, look at that. Perfect. Perfect. Stopping at 76.5. The profit target I had. Anyhow. Yeah, I need some time off the screen. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching today. I need to go and smoke a cigarette. I'm not going to lie to you. But yeah, that's what happens sometimes when you hesitate for a minute or when you're distracted for literally, honestly, for a second or two. It's gone. Opportunity is gone. The edge is gone and everything else. And also the price to participate also increases as you're just waiting and hesitating. So yes, it's my fault I hesitated. Yes, obviously I had a little fuck up with the screen. Yes, but after all, it's all down to me. So I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I'm improving every day as well as everyone else out there. And sometimes, yeah, I can fuck up as well when it comes down to a screen or whatever happens sometimes. Or even if you hesitate sometimes, the market just instantly moves in the direction you was thinking, and then you're losing that kind of opportunity, or you're just increasing, obviously, the price to participate. So I'll be looking forward to trade tomorrow. I'm just going for a cigarette. I'll be then sticking back to the chart, of course, just going to my next opportunity and then just wait for that to present itself. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a fantastic trading day, and I'll be in tomorrow, same time, same place, and same tickers, crude oil and natural